Hello beautiful ladies and girls, welcome back to the journey of fashion and styles with Safeera. I hope so everyone is feeling happy, relaxed and enjoying a very lovely day. Today's video is all about the summer floral midi dresses, a perfect blend of elegance, comfort and a feminine charm that never goes out of the styles. So those girls, those women who love to wear the floral dresses, especially the midi dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful and useful for you. Floral midi dresses are always favorite in summer seasons, and these are the essential because they are lightweight, breathable and extremely versatile. The midi length offers a graceful and a modest look, and making these dresses suitable for casual wears, for daytime outings and even the semi-formal occasions. So in these summer fashion trends, floral midi dresses stand out for their effortless beauty and the timeless appeal. So the first we have trendy floral midi styles. So in recent trends, floral midi dresses feature the flowy silhouettes, A-line cuts, the wrap styles and the softly plaited designs, because these styles flatter different body shapes while keeping the outfit comfortable and stylish. And the detailing like the puff sleeves, ruffles, waist ties and a button-down fronts add a modern touch to a classic floral patterns. So the colors and the fabric of midi dresses which are trending in 2026 season. So summer floral midi dresses are trending in soft pastels, creamy whites, earthly neutrals and a gentle floral prints. Small to medium floral patterns are especially popular in these seasons of 2026 summers. And the breathable fabrics such as the cotton, the chiffon, the rayon and the lightweight nylon blends keep the dresses airy and perfect for your warm weathers. These beautiful floral midi dresses can be styled effortlessly with a flat sandals, with block heels or even the sneakers for a casual look. And you can add a crossbody bag, minimal jewelry and sunglasses to complete your summer's outfit. For a slightly dresser's look, pair your floral midi dress with the heels and structured handbags. So dear ladies and girls, these are some of the beautiful summer floral midi dresses ideas that are perfect for staying stylish and comfortable all season long. And I try my best to make videos especially in the summer season. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and share video, subscribe to my channel Safeera for more elegant and trendy fashion inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish. See you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. So must watch video till the end, dear friends. Bye bye till the next video.